Namaskar. Welcome to our Yoga World. Today is very special day. Today is Healthy Living Day. Today is International Yoga Day. So let's celebrate with us in virtually.
Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. Om Mitraye Namah. Om Rave Namah. Om Suryaye Namah. Om Vanbe Namah. Om Khagyaye Namah. Om Pushne Namah. Om Hiranyagarbhaye Namah. Om Mariche Namah. Om Adityaye Namah. Om Shabitre Namah. Om Arkaye Namah. Om Bhaskaraye Namah.
Surya is our life of energy. The sun salutation sets of 12 asana dedicated the Vedic Hindu solar deity Surya. It originated to the Hatha Yoga in 9th century.
But what is yoga? Origin of yoga as name from Sanskrit word yuj, meaning union, ek rehna. It also define our Indian culture, unity among the diverse. Yoga is a group of physical, mental and spiritual practices or disciplines. Yoga is harmony of body and soul. The practice of yoga has been thought to date back to pre-Vedic Indian tradition around 3000 BC. Yoga first mentioned in Rig Veda. Yoga also mentioned in many of Indian historic texts and statues. Yoga as exercise is physical activity consisting largely of asanas. It's called Hatha Yoga. Many people know yoga by this mean Hatha Yoga, but is not. The classical yoga main part is Raj Yoga, sadhana. The father of yoga, Patanjali, create the 8 limbs of yoga. That is yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan and samadhi. Raj Yoga depends on the effectiveness of the mind. Raj Yoga shows the way to liberation through peace and purity of mind. Swami Vivekananda equated Raj Yoga with the Yoga Sutra of Patanjali. Yoga came to the attention of an educated Western public in the mid-century with other topic of Indian philosophy and present this none other than Swami Vivekananda. Is yoga for everyone? Yes, of course. It's time to roll out your mat and discover the combination of physical and mental exercises that for thousands of years have hooked yoga practitioners around the globe. The beauty of yoga is that you don't have to be a yogi or yogini to reap the benefits. Whether you are young or old, overweight or fit, yoga has the power to calm the mind and strengthen the body. Yoga is not only a difficult posture, it also includes simple asana. The greatness of yoga can be maintained by keeping the body and mind healthy or self-realization. Science of Yoga. The science of yoga is the scientific basis of modern yoga as exercise in human sciences such as anatomy, physiology, and psychology. Yoga's effects are to some extent shared with other forms of exercise. Though it differs in the amount of stretching involved and because of this frequent use to long holds and relaxation. In this ability to reduce stress, yoga is here treated separately from meditation, which has effect of its own. Through yoga and meditation are combined in some school of yoga. Yoga helps to maintain bone strength, joint mobility, and joint stability. It's improved posture, muscle strength, coordination, and confidence, in turn reducing the risk of injury and bone fracture. As it is generally shown the conducive with awareness, it may be safer than many other sports. International Yoga Day logo have some specialties. Folding of both hands in the logo symbolize yoga, the union, which reflects the union of individual consequence with that of universal consequence, a preferred harmony between mind and body, man and nature, and holistic approach of health and well-being. The brown leaves symbolize the earth element, the green leaves symbolize the nature, blue symbolize the water element, brightness symbolize the fire element, and the sun symbolize the source of energy and inspiration. The logo reflects harmony and peace of humanity, which is the essence of yoga. Benefits of yoga. Yoga is very necessary and beneficial for all human beings. If it is practiced by all on daily basis in the early morning, the benefits of yoga include increased muscle strength and tone, increased flexibility, improved respiration, energy and vitality, maintaining a balanced metabolism, weight reduction, cardio and circulation health, improve athletic performance. And pranayama can cure various difficult diseases. It also beneficial for peace of mind. It can increase concentration and feel the movement of one's own breathing. Properly practicing pranayama, one can live a long and healthy life. However, the main purpose of yoga is samadhi. But why we celebrate this day? 21st June is Yoga Day. We celebrate for awareness about the importance and effects of yoga on the health of the people. Yoga poses are great, strengthen and relax the body. It's a healing process. Yoga can provide a better life for you and us because we are all together. It's called union. It's called yoga. This year Yoga Day theme is Yoga at Home with Family, and you also include our big yoga family. So, happy Yoga Day. Stay safe and healthy.
Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe and healthy.
Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe and healthy.
হ্যাপি যোগা ডে স্টে সেফ স্টে ব্লেসড।
শুভ যোগ দিবস, ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
Hello friends. Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.
Hello friends, happy International Yoga Day to all. Stay safe and healthy.
Happy Yoga Day.
Wish you all a very happy Yoga Day. Stay healthy and stay fit.
হ্যাপি যোগা ডে স্টে সেফ অ্যান্ড হেলদি।
Namaskar.
Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.
Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe and healthy. Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe and healthy.
Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe and Happy Yoga Day. Stay safe and healthy.
Happy International Yoga Day to all. Stay safe and healthy.